Project number 1 is underway. I found this. This is an Ikea bench. It's got a cork top. You can see kind of. I already started. I forgot to get some video beforehand. Some metal legs, and I'm just using this foam. I'm gonna go back and forth using some spray glue. And of course the kitty always wants to help. So I'm gonna do 3 or 4 layers using this. So that the pattern side, the texture side, ends up down, so it's a smooth top. And then I just need to get my staple gun, and I'll show you guys the color of the material that I'm going to use on top. It's a stretch velvet. Okay, so binge watching Dr. Dre's vlogs in the background. Look at this green velvet, you guys. I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. So I paid like $14 and I bought 2 yards, which I will not eat all of this. The foam was free from a friend who had some extra, and I picked up the bench off the side of the road. So I will let you see the finished product in just a minute. I have a staple gun, guys, and I maybe know how to use it. Woo-hoo! We shall see. We shall see. It's time to staple the green material to my bench. Okay guys, it is done. I did it all myself. I would give myself a 5 out of 10. I definitely learned some lessons here, but I think it's so freaking gorgeous. And it can be reupholstered when I feel like going through hell again. It's actually less blue in person, but I'll try to put another picture in here that shows it better. Good morning, guys. So I am here at Lowe's. I like Lowe's better than Home Depot, so don't tell anybody. And I don't really have any makeup on. I just have my moisturizer, sunscreen, and mascara, so sorry about that. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in, and I thought I had a paintbrush, and I don't, because I'm going to do another project today. Where I am taking an old table, well, it's not old, but something that I used to use in my beauty room, and I'm gonna use it for an outdoor eating table. So I'm really excited about that, so I'm gonna take you inside Lowe's. I super duper love plants and want my house covered in them. Working on keeping them alive. Look at these cute succulents. Oh my gosh, I love it when there's just like one little flower poking out. And these hanging ones are super cute. I feel like these are the kind of plants that need to be above my kitchen sink. They can take all the shade, you know. I have the pothos, and they're doing okay. These ferns, I think, would do better. I don't know. Don't got no money though. I've killed one of these before, very quickly, I might add. But I love those. I love the tropical looking ones. Personal brush, $3. Okay, I just got back from Lowe's, and I did have 1 cup of coffee, but I feel like I need another one. So unfortunately, my French press is broken again. I don't know if you guys have this problem, but the little black part that pushes everything together, it keeps popping up like it doesn't screw down anymore. So it's been stripped. Anyway, this is like the 3rd time this has happened, so I think I might need to do another brand or something. I thought I had. So what I've been doing, so like every time I push it down, what happens is it like pulls apart, so I can't actually press the coffee down, but if I do a tiny bit of water, it works. So what I've been doing is pressing it down like an espresso situation, and then adding hot water at the end, which is kind of gross, but it works. So this is the rest of my little espresso situation. So how I've been making my iced coffee is coffee, duh, ice. I mix my protein powder that I got from Amazon. I do like a third of a scoop to a half a scoop, depending on how much coffee I'm having. And I mix it in my NutriBullet with the cream so that it doesn't get like clumpy and stuff. And then I add it to my coffee with the ice, and that's it. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is the table that one of my former students made for me in his welding class, and I freaking adore it. This used to be what was in my beauty room as my vanity, and now that Freddie bought me a new one, I am going to coat it with some weatherproof things, polyurethane situation, so that I can keep it outside and it's not ruined, because it does mean quite a lot to me. Okay, time to sandpaper and then wash off. Table has a couple of layers of polyurethane, letting it dry, and I think I'm gonna stop there. These are 2 chairs that I also picked up off the road that I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna wait to show you that later. Oh, Nima, always in the way. All right, guys, that's the end of the vlog. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.